It's another start of the week. Let's feel better by baking some brownie cookies today. These are nothing but full of chocolate, and they often say chocolate is happiness that you can eat. These chocolate cookies are a delicious cure if you are having a bad day. What is even better is when someone makes it for you. So send this to your friends and hint them that it's time for them to be grateful to you.